Hi there and welcome to this short YouTube tutorial on how to use the quadratic formula. Now the most general way to write a quadratic equation is by the means of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, with each of these letters here representing a number. If we take the equation 2x squared plus 7x plus 11 equal to 0, for example, my a value would be equal to 2, my b value would be equal to 7, my c would be equal to 11, using the equation above. Now, I'm sure you're aware, the quadratic formula follows x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square roots of b squared minus 4ac all under 2a. Now the formula will work for all equations that can be solved. If we see a quadratic equation, I would always advise you to first try and factorise. If you're unable to factorise, then one of the better methods would be to go and use the quadratic formula. So for example, if we had the equation of 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here our a value is equal to 2, my b value is equal to a minus 5, and my c value is equal to a minus 6. Now if we submit these values into my quadratic formula, so we have x is equal to minus bracket minus 5 plus or minus the square root of minus 5 squared minus 4 brackets 2 bracket open brackets minus 6 close brackets all under 2 brackets 2. Now we simplify this to x is equal to 5 plus or minus, my two negative values give us a positive, 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 5 times minus 5, again positive, minus 4 times 2 is minus 8, times by minus 6 gives us a positive 48, all under 4. So my x is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of 73, all under 4. Now it's just a case of putting these values into your calculator. Once done that, you come out with the values of x is equal to 3.386 when we use the positive version. The negative version, we get x is equal to minus 0.886. Now I hope this short little tutorial has helped you understand the quadratic formula a little more. I hope you take time to have a look at my other videos. Thank you very much.